Hi guys, hi everyone, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you my Dollar Tree haul for Easter. And I want to say hello to all of my new subscribers. I have several new subscribers and I want to welcome you guys. And a lot of the people that have been following me for a while know that I shop mostly off season and I build my inventory that way. And so I just want to encourage you guys, like if you're just starting out, now it's almost March and Walmart and Dollar Tree, they're all putting out their Easter and their spring stuff. So, next year you probably can get things like at Walmart, 50% off, but just be on the lookout. Now is the time to start getting your stuff together. And here are a few things that I got. Now, I don't sell a lot for Easter, even though people do like Easter lilies and like flowers. I might do a little bit on the flower side, and then I add little accents and stuff from Dollar Tree. But they have these cute little bags out already. These are cute. Like I said, if you're on a budget, and you're just starting out, gift bags are a very economical way, and people are attracted. They don't always want a big gift basket. They like grab and go, especially men. They want grab and go stuff. But you might be able to see, and then since I work, most of my, it's on the street level, I'm going to place or on the streets. Most people, they'll easily do $25 with you on that level, because people want something cute, grab and go, and they want it, affordably when you're on the streets, okay? All right, so the bags, got that cute plaid here, and I got some picks. You can put these picks in your gift baskets or in your floral arrangement. So I got these, get two. Let's see here. Then I got a bunny butt. I got a bunny, I know they're bunny tail, but it's called bunny tail pick. But we all say bunny butts. And I even heard the kids and they say, "Oh Mom, here's the bunny butts." So I got one in blue, one in pink. Okay, and these will go into a flower arrangement. For me, put them in your gift bag, your gift basket. These are cute. And then the chocolates, the combination, like for Valentine's Day, I had a combination of a bear, a chocolate, a balloon in a basket or in a box, and so I stick to that. And I love these chocolate crosses. Look out for them. Those are beautiful, and since they're in a box, they will add nice structure to your gift basket or the gift bag that you're using. So I try to get as much as I can if it's in a box. Give you some support, okay? And then the bunny, the Carrot Patch Pete. Been around for years. And then they got the little puzzle in the back, the little maze, okay? And so, add these. Okay, and then I got this cute sign, $1.25. Nice little Easter sign for the mantle or for your table if you are going to be selling out in the street. A cute little table sign, table decor. It's cute, and the little bunny tails here, cotton, cute. So keep that there. Let's see if I can organize this in such a way. Okay, and then I forgot to then add they got these. So they're going to have these, if they don't already have these at your Dollar Tree, they will have these little balloons. Okay, they're $1.25 at Dollar Tree, they're $1.12 at Walmart. So in my other video I showed that. And also at Walmart, they have these Easter jumbo cello bags. They're 98 cents each. You just get one in these for 98 cents. And it's 28 inch by 30 inch. Dollar Tree, you'll get two. Start looking out for your gift bags. Because, you know, around this time, this is when you get in your Easter baskets. I have so many Easter baskets. Let me show you what I got last year. Show you what I got. And I got more of these, and I got all of these last year. What they had left over on clearance, well, not even last year. When they were still $1, and these were on sale for 50 cents. And so be looking out for stuff like that. Easter baskets. All right, and put these back. I just pulled these out. Okay, last year, after season, I stocked up. They had these 50 cents. Stocked up on these little cute little rabbits and stuff. Little fuzzy friends. So this is what you do. These were 50 cents. Aren't these the cutest? So I stocked up on these. And I just put on take good care of them. Keep them in plastic bags. Okay, and then like I never get these until this year. So since I had so many of the other bunnies, I got these. These are cute. We got these, what are they called? These big bunnies. They're big. These are going fast in my store. This little bing. We get these. Okay. That's how you get set. This is what people, it screams Easter. That's what my people want. Because you got to know where you live. Where I live, people already have, they own their homes. They don't need any more clothes. They don't need, you know, they have all the perfume and stuff they want. Okay, and then finally, since I have I have plenty of like Easter gift baskets, Easter baskets. And I always overlook these. So I got these. I got these for football. And you know what? I won't use these for Easter. I will use these because I'm a tablescape designer. And for weddings and special events and like next year during football season, you know, have snacks in here and stuff like that. So that's why I got these. And this is the only time they're out. And I got a soccer next year when they have the World Cup and you're having a little get together. You get your little, I'll pull these out. I've always admired these so much. I love the sports ones. And they have those little Easter eggs. In sports theme. They're so cute. So I got that. And then my favorite sport, basketball. And we got a little basketball. This is so cute. And if you don't like put food in there, you know, you have a little game, y'all just, you know, who gets it in there, you get a prize. You know, you could just use these for so many different things. Okay, so that is all I plan on doing. I'll be doing like some ideas, sharing with you ideas on, you know, how to use stuff from Dollar Tree. You know, you can use them just for your own home. You can use them to sell. Let's see, do I have anything else? Well, I got my little bunnies out here. Might as well pull the fuzzy friends out. Okay. All right, so I just wanted to share that with you. These are tips for preparing for upcoming holidays. If you're going to sell, sell gift baskets and things like that. Get your stuff. Whenever it's Easter, the next day, go in there, go to Walmart, and clean up on their sales. All right, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe, join the tribe, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, Mom. Okay, I gotta put this stuff up now. All right, and I'm still cleaning up Valentine's Day stuff. All right, see you guys.